Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to merge layers in Alight Motion. To merge layers in Alight Motion, follow the steps till the end of the video. First of all, launch open Alight Motion application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. Once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and open up a project or create a new project and import a video clip in different layers. Here I've already added 3 different layers on my screen. Go ahead and select a layer and tap on the little try button at the top right corner of the screen. Press and hold multiple layers at once and select them. Now click on the button right next to Layer Selected option at the top, and you will then be able to create a single layer for all of these 3 layers. This will combine the selected layers into a single layer. Play back your project to ensure that the layer looks as expected. And that's how you can easily merge layers, allowing yourself to simplify your composition and create more complex effect by combining different elements on Alight Motion. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.